Hello, my name is Donna Bachowski and I'm one of the educators with Bywater Solutions. Today I'm going to show you very briefly the Koha Mana Knowledge Base, an exciting new addition to Koha. This first video is going to focus on configuration or setting up the site. With the release of Koha 1905, the knowledge base Mana is getting introduced. Mana is described as a global knowledge base for library-centric data. It has been designed initially to interact with Koha, the open source ILS, but can be used by any other software. The idea is that the Koha community can now begin sharing knowledge such as serial prediction patterns and reports. Serial prediction pattern sharing and searching has started in 1905. This means that your library can set up your Koha to integrate with Mana and search for serial patterns within the database, and also share your own patterns with the community. There are a few steps necessary to set up Mana. By default, it will not be activated on Bywater Partners sites. To activate it, you will need to go to the System Preferences under Administration. When you go into Administration, you might see this message indicating that you have not set up Mana yet. You can click on the link right here and it will take you to the first steps in your configuration. You do have a link to view the official documentation for Mana. The important sections that we're going to focus on right now are here. I'm going to click on Yes, saying that I do want to use Mana for sharing content. I do have the option to automatically share any subscriptions with Mana. I can check that or not. I'm going to go ahead and save that configuration. And then the next step will be you need to enter either your library name or the person's name who will be responsible for this at your site, and then the email address. You will send that information in and you will receive a token in an email. Once you click on the link in that email to activate that token, your token will be automatically populated into your Koha system. Again, once you have received that email from Mana with the link to authenticate your token, that token will automatically populate in two places, both in the Koha Mana administration that we were looking at a moment ago and in your system preferences. The Mana system preferences are under Web Services. You'll see here that we have three system preferences. Auto share with Mana, and that decides whether or not I want my subscriptions to be automatically shared with Mana or not. I do have the overall enable, disable, or let me think about it. We have set this to enable since we have set this up. And then the final one is the security token, which has been automatically populated via that email that you have authenticated. Once we go ahead and save all of our preferences, we're all set to go and get started with our serials. Thank you for joining us for this very brief introduction to the Mana configuration that is now available in Koha 1905. Be sure to take a look for our tutorials on setting up serials using Mana and setting up reports.